Hello, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another episode of I Make Free Energy for you guys on YouTube. So yesterday what happened? I was looking for some easy free energy on YouTube and I came across this video. Okay, it's an old video, but it mentioned like Tesla. So I kind of guessed that would be the real and legit free energy generator. So it's called, as Tesla said, ground battery. What's a ground battery? Well, all it takes to make this ground battery is just a little bit of soil. Yes, ground. If you have your backyard, for instance, you already have free energy. But let's take a look at this video and tell me what you think.
So this video is going to be about how to make a free energy generator just using some copper and some magnets, a few pieces of wire. So basically you need a center of an alternator. Any alternator should work. You just basically need the magnets going around in the circle. Also you need 4 ceramic magnets, 4 pieces of copper tubing, 1 inch in diameter by 3 inches in length. You start by putting the center of the alternator in the center and placing the 4 magnets. Each has to be opposite polarity. To do this, just kind of hold the magnets together and make sure that they are repelling and not attracting. This will create electromagnetic induction. Creates some sort of reaction. I'm not sure exactly what happens in the ground, but with this I'm able to get a voltage by connecting all 4 of the copper pipes crisscross. 2 of them on the left would be positive and the 2 on the right are negative polarity. The way I figured this out was by putting my voltmeter on either one of them, and when it would read negative, I knew I had the voltmeter on the opposite sides. So I got no idea the science behind it or how it works, but
so let's get to the testing. I realize the sun's on the voltmeter, so I'll slow it down. You can see I'm pulling about 19.69, 19.7 volts. I was thinking there's got to be some way to store this energy and then run it in a series, and you could probably get a lot more voltage out of it. But the fact that I'm creating electricity out of the ground, to me, is pretty cool. So if you guys could leave some comments and let me know why this is working or how this is working, it would be helpful. Here's the light test. Basically, positive to one end, negative to the other end. In this case, the light's black and white. Black's negative, white's positive. Bear with me here. It works eventually. There we go. So we'll get some flickering. A second or so it will go stable. There we go. Okay, we got good steady light. So there's the light.
Ground battery, that's what's called ground battery. So for instance, if you have a little bit of soil, your backyard, it's enough to give you free energy. Tesla says that. All it takes for this experiment, as you can see in the video, it's 4 of these copper piping and a hammer for now. Let's go in my backyard and see how it works. Alright, I'm back. Done with the copper piping. All we need now is a couple of magnets. And then, of course, our coil, as Tesla says, and our multimeter to test how much energy or simply free energy we have out of the ground. Let's go do it. Fake. Of course, it's another fake. It says Tesla and free energy. Of course, it's a fake. It doesn't really take an engineer to understand that probably a glass of water has more energy than your garden. And you wonder now, how come everyone likes to mention Tesla nowadays? The solution is pretty easy. When you lack of elementary and basic education, and you really don't know what you're doing, but you just like to play with electrical stuff, all you have to do to convince other people that you have free energy, all you have to say is to say Tesla. You have to mention Tesla as many times as you can. That's how it works nowadays on YouTube. So now, follow me, repeat, Tesla, 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 Tesla.
After a couple of times, Tesla did some tests. I mean, with Tesla, it was very simple. The problem with the word potential with Tesla is so powerful, like Tesla said. I'm reading, Tesla's lyrics. I mean, Tesla said he could crack the earth in half.
Thank you guys for watching and please subscribe.